Looking for women gym shirt deals for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the Reebok Women's Dynamic Tee is the anytime activewear shirt for the modern woman. This moisture-wicking shirt will make staying active a breeze, by Reebok. Number 2, the Reebok Women's Dynamic Tee is the anytime activewear shirt for the modern woman. This moisture-wicking shirt will make staying active a breeze. Material pulls perspiration away from your body to keep you dry, while flat seams keep you comfy as you move. Another great product by Reebok. Number 3, make this Reebok top your go-to gym shirt. For comfort and support when you need it most during your workouts. This performance tee is perfect for nearly any activity. Simplify your outfit decisions so you can focus on what really matters, getting that summer bod. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.